Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the extended half double crochet. It's a fun stitch that is a little bit bigger than the half double crochet but smaller than the double crochet. So let me teach you all about it. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. So in order to understand what an extended stitch is, it is important to know where they fit in when you compare other stitches with it, okay? So a single crochet has a certain size and it's smaller than a half double crochet, which is smaller than a double crochet. The extended stitches fit right in between in terms of sizing. So an extended single crochet fits in between a single and a half double crochet. Extended half double fits in between half double and double. An extended double crochet fits in between a double and a treble crochet stitch. Now, yes, this is all US terms, but you need to understand where kind of they fit in between. Now that you know that, I'm going to teach you the extended half double crochet. So in order to start with the half double crochet, I'm going to skip the first chain. I'm going to go into the back bump to make it look pretty. I'm going to yarn over like you normally would for a half double crochet. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. It's pretty much the same look as of now, like you would do for a half double crochet. Now you're going to yarn over, but here's the difference. You're not going to yarn over and pull through all 3. You're going to yarn over and pull through 1. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. So let's do that again. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 3. It kind of adds like an extra step to it, which makes the stitch slightly bigger than a normal half double crochet. So that is something you want to practice a little bit, and then once you kind of get the hang of it, it goes really quickly and the stitch is very easy to make. This looks like a tiny version of a double crochet, slightly bigger than a half double crochet, but yeah, pretty much almost made the same way. It kind of extends it a little bit and looks pretty. It has that extra loop in there to make it look slightly different. So at the end of the row, you're going to turn and you're going to do the same thing. Now you can chain 1 in the beginning if you wish to do so, or chain 2 if you like to, but I actually going to skip it. I'm just going to pull up my yarn a little bit. I don't like making a turning chain in the beginning because it creates a little bit of a bulk. So, and anything bigger than a double crochet, I typically do an alternative turning chain, but for this one, it is slightly smaller. So I'm just going to pull up my yarn a little bit here, my loop, and I'm doing normal extended half double crochet in that first stitch. So this is here where you're going to insert your hook in the end when you go back in that row to finish up the stitch. So don't forget that stitch at the very end here. So this stitch gives it a little bit of a different texture and look to it, and it's actually very pretty and easy to use. So there we go. This is how the extended half double crochet looks like. I hope you like it. Remember, there is a link down below in the description if you rather look at the photo tutorial or you need a reference to it as well. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you're going to use this cute stitch for. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your crochet friends so they can learn to stitch as well. Subscribe and turn on the little bell so you get a notification the next time I publish a new video, go live, or have an announcement for you. Until then, bye!